Hey guys, welcome back to the Van Necessities series with Canyon Adventure Vans. I am Jenna, I'm one of the co-owners here. Today I am featuring the console table bracket. This is universal in Storytellers, Rebels, Grits, Jaycos, Integras, Sprinter cargo vans, anything where you have a seat base that comes stock in the Mercedes Sprinter van. What you need is RCTB, you need a lagoon system, but this is a console table. This particular table is a Skinny 2.0. A little backstory, you don't have anywhere to eat, put your food, put your drinks, put a phone. This is why we created this product, so that you have something while you're driving to put items on. And then you also can slide it back for a workstation. This is a Skinny 2.0. You can do a 1.0 with no cup holders. We actually have new inserts now that you can take the cup holders out, put the inserts, and then you have a flat surface for a workstation, putting your computer, whatnot. Or you can move it back into your front position, open that up, and then you've got a massive table space up front. This is the console table bracket used with the Lagoon system and a Skinny 2.0, but you can check out all the other options at canyonadventurevans.com, and we'll see you back here next time on Van Necessities.